Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out a seriously advanced piece of tactical technology from Teledyne FLIR called the FirstLook 125. This compact reconnaissance robot is designed for rapid deployment in dangerous and unpredictable environments, giving teams a way to gather critical information without putting operators directly in harm's way. And once you see what this thing can handle, it's easy to understand why it's getting so much attention. One of the biggest strengths of the FirstLook 125 is how well it performs in low visibility situations. Whether operators are moving through complete darkness, smoke-filled buildings, or narrow confined spaces, this robot keeps delivering a clear view of what's ahead. It uses both visible light and infrared cameras to provide constant situational awareness day and night. Watching it move through dark hallways, tight corners, and underground spaces, while streaming real-time video back to the team really shows how valuable this kind of technology can be during high-risk operations. Another impressive feature is the way it works alongside other advanced systems. The footage demonstrates integrated control of both the FirstLook 125 and the Black Hornet 4 drone from a single controller. That combination of ground and aerial reconnaissance gives squads a huge advantage because they can monitor multiple angles and environments at the same time. It creates a much more complete picture of the situation before anyone has to move in. Mobility is another area where this robot stands out. Even though it is compact, the FirstLook 125 is built to tackle rough and complex terrain with ease. Its track design and motorized flippers allow it to climb stairs, crawl over rocks, and push through debris without slowing down. It handles obstacles that would stop many small robots cold, making it useful in everything from urban environments to disaster zones. But the part that really grabs attention is just how tough this thing is. The FirstLook 125 is specifically designed to be thrown, dropped, and deployed directly into dangerous areas. Operators can launch it over walls, toss it onto rooftops, or even drop it from a hovering drone. Instead of breaking apart, the robot absorbs the impact, flips itself upright automatically, and gets mission-ready almost immediately. That level of durability is incredible, especially for a compact reconnaissance platform. What makes this technology so important is the role it plays in keeping people safer. Rather than sending someone blindly into a dangerous room or unfamiliar area, teams can deploy the robot first and gather critical intelligence before making their move. In high-risk operations, those extra few moments of information can make a massive difference. The FirstLook 125 really feels like a glimpse into the future of tactical reconnaissance. Small, rugged, highly mobile, and incredibly versatile, it is designed to go where humans should not have to. Thanks for watching, and let me know down in the comments what you think about this next-generation deployable robot tech.